Hello, how are you everyone? So I'm currently working in a drugstore, back in the drugstore. And this is Philippines. Let's talk about my husband. By the way, just a correction on my previous video. I'm sorry because I'm not a native English speaker. I'm just trying to speak in English for my vlogs. He died not on June 12, 2012, but he died recently. Today, by the time that I'm posting the video, it's October 2025. So he died July 12, 2025, 3 months ago. And these are the medicines that the pulmonary fibrosis doctor, the specialist, pulmo specialist prescribed. Cefixime Tergesef 400 milligrams. So it was 7 pieces once a day, and it was fully served. And my husband was very skinny. He also given levofloxacin 750 milligrams tablet. It's a big and it's long tablet. It's difficult to swallow. So I crash. And also the acetylcysteine, I don't know how to pronounce this one, 600 milligram. That's the one that they are going to soak it in water. Did I pronounce it correctly? I'm sorry guys. And the doxophilin, a bronchodilator. That's the usual medicine that's given by our specialist. And he has a strong allergic rhinitis. So Sinopret plain for his nose, and a Sinicod 40. That's butamirate citrate that is given by our pulmonologist for a hard cough. And also because he has very disgusting like allergic rhinitis, he was given a Montelukast plus levocetirizine. We name it Zicast. That's number 7. And of course, the Symbicort Rafihaler. The Rafihaler Symbicort for his COPD and Espial to Respimat. There's a lot. And Respimat, and also the Nutribest. That's milk for his the goal supposed to be he needs to gain weight in order to be vaccinated with flu vaccine and pneumonia, and still not gaining weight. It's really bad kind of disease, somewhat like distracting all sorry, appetite. It's blocking. And also sometimes I gave him Ensure milk because it has a lot of protein. And yeah, before giving this on the year 2024, no, December 2024, because this one is January.